Clove Dental is a leading dental care provider dedicated to delivering exceptional oral health services to patients. When it comes to reliable and comprehensive dental care, Clove Dental is a name that stands out. With a strong focus on quality and patient satisfaction, Clove Dental is one of the leading dental clinics in the industry. They are committed to providing exceptional dental services to patients of all ages, ensuring healthy smiles for everyone. Clove Dental's mission is simple yet powerful: to make quality dental care accessible and affordable for all. They believe that everyone deserves a healthy smile, and they strive to achieve this by providing exceptional dental services using the latest techniques and technologies. With a patient-centric approach, Clove Dental is dedicated to creating a positive and comfortable dental experience for every individual. Here are some dental benefits of cloves. Relief from toothache. Cloves contain a compound called eugenol, which acts as a natural anesthetic and antiseptic. Applying clove oil or chewing on a clove can help alleviate toothache. 1. Antibacterial properties. Cloves have antimicrobial properties that can help fight bacteria in the mouth. This can be beneficial for maintaining oral hygiene and preventing infections. 2. Reduces gum disease. Clove oil has been found to reduce the bacteria that cause gum disease. It can help create a balanced oral biome and promote healthier teeth and gums. 3. Anti-inflammatory properties. Clove oil has anti-inflammatory properties, which can help reduce inflammation in the gums and alleviate discomfort associated with dental issues. 4. Natural breath freshener. Cloves have a pleasant aroma and can act as a natural breath freshener. Chewing on a clove or using clove oil can help combat bad breath. Please note that while cloves can provide temporary relief and have some dental benefits, it is important to consult with a dentist for proper diagnosis and treatment of dental issues.